Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to make a review of the protective cover for DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The product is made of glossy hard plastic. It's nice, it's not bad, it's usable. The hinge mechanism is nothing crazy. You press down to secure and then you push up to unlock. As you can see, you cannot secure the clip because there is no product inside the cover. There is a lanyard hole and also a cutout for the SD card, micro SD card. Currently, I'm using the original cover from DJI. Okay, now let's try to put the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 into the cover. There is a sort of protective foam for the screen, one at the top and one at the bottom. And as you can see, you have to push down in the middle, otherwise your screen will rotate. So if you put it in the wrong way, it can damage your screen. Once you put it in the cover, it's very secure. It won't come out. As you can see in the video, I'm shaking, but it's not coming out. In order to take it out, you have to lift from the bottom of the Pocket 3 and kind of plug it out in the halfway. You will see why that is later in the video. There is a divider right where the lower part of the screen rests. You have to align that divider with the lower part of the screen. Okay, now let's put it back into the cover. As I said earlier, you have to align the divider with the end of the screen and then push down in the middle. So it's secure now. The problem is that when you take it out, you have to lift the bottom of the Pocket 3 and then kind of plug it out. So it's not that convenient. There is also another divider for the camera to rest. So you have to align that as well. So you have to align two places. Let's put it back in and see how it works. As you can see, I'm pushing down. And there you can see it's stuck because I misaligned the gimbal. The gimbal is way up the top and it's touching with the top of the cover. That's why I cannot put it in. Another problem is that if you try to push it in, your thumb is naturally resting on the power button. That's why I'm accidentally turning it on. Okay, let's try again. And as you can see, the screen is stuck. And also, if you push it down, the cover is making the screen wobble a little bit. That's what makes me worry. Then I'll try again. As you can see, there's a little play at the screen because the top of the cover is pressing the screen. That's why when you push it down, it might rotate your screen and it might damage your screen mechanism. At this point, I'm worried and then I don't want to put it in anymore because if you press down is rotate your screen. So one more try, and as you can see, as I show you right now, it's rotating the screen. That's why the cover is not well designed. As you can see, it's already rotating, so it's not good. I really had high hope for this product, but unfortunately it's not good. The problem is that you have to be very careful when you put it in the cover, and you also have to place your thumb on the top side of the screen to offset the screen rotation. Only then you can press it down. So that is another inconvenience. Also, when you're taking it out, you have to be very specific on the way you are taking it out. So when you're lifting up all the way, the gimbal is touching against the gimbal divider there. So basically you're like snapping your gimbal. That's not good. So basically I don't recommend this product. I'm gonna stick with the original DJI cover. With the DJI cover, you align and place the gimbal first and then push it down. To take it out, you just push down the button of the Pocket 3 and then it just pops right out. Very quick and very easy to use. The thing I don't like about the DJI cover is that it's bulky and it's a bit heavy. Otherwise, it is good. So I thought if I remove the padding here, it will slide down easily. So I removed the padding because the first time I tried, the padding will leave marks on the screen. Of course, I have a protected screen, so it's not a big deal. So I removed the padding. And as you can see, you have to press from here to slide down easily. If you don't press from here, the screen will rotate. So, and if you want to take out, you have to take out like this. See, it will put pressure on the mechanism of the display. You can only move at this point because there's a divider here. It is pressing against the gimbal. So if you move farther from this point, your gimbal might be damaged. So you have to kind of push it like this. You cannot push like this because there's a divider here. This divider, if you move, it will put pressure on this point. It will damage your gimbal. So basically, I thought this product is a good concept, but it's not working. I'm gonna stick with the original cover because it's easier to storage and easier to take out. Because if you store it like this, there's no pressure on the gimbal. But if you also take out, you might think that the pushing will damage the display, but actually, as you can see, the shape is like contour, is curving like this. So the only place rubbing against this thing is this side. It will not affect your display because this part is wider than the display itself. You can see the contour. So original cover is the safest. But here, if you do it like this, see, it's already rotating my screen like this. So even also the taking off mechanism, you cannot like take it off right away because there's a divider here, so it's hacking like this. If you remove like this, it's like twisting on your gimbal, so it will damage your gimbal and it's not good. So I don't recommend this product. Better stay stiff with the original cover until more product come out.